This English exam is coming up fast. 2 weeks. I'm freaking out about the grammar section.
Tell me about it. But hey, we've got this. Let's break it down. What's stressing you most?
Tenses. I always mix up present perfect and past simple, like I have eaten versus I ate.
Classic. Present perfect for experiences connected to now, like I have eaten sushi before. Past simple for finished actions, like I ate sushi last night.
Okay, that clicks. Your turn. What's your weak spot?
Vocabulary. The exam has those fill-in-the-blanks with synonyms. I need more words like meticulous instead of just careful.
Meticulous means super detailed, right? We can quiz each other. Build a list.
Deal. Also, listening part. Podcasts help. I listen to BBC Learning English daily.
Smart. I do reading comprehension practice, news articles, but essays, structure kills me.
Easy formula. Introduction with thesis, body paragraphs with examples, conclusion wrapping up. Use connectors like however, furthermore.
Writing furthermore. Got it. Speaking test 2, role plays?
Yeah, practice describing pictures or debating topics. Record yourself. Sounds awkward but helps fluency.
I'll try not to cringe. Time management. How to finish all sections.
Allocate time. 20 minutes reading, 30 writing. Skip tough questions, come back.
Good tip. Nerves. Any tricks?
Breathe deep. Sleep well night before. Eat breakfast. Positive mindset. I've prepared. I can do this.
High-fiving. You're right. We should do a mock exam together this weekend.
Yes, over pizza after. Reward ourselves after.
Perfect. Feeling better already.
Me too. We've got each other's back. Ace this exam.
Absolutely. Thanks for the pep talk.
Anytime. Study break. Want another coffee?
Definitely. Let's crush this.